welcome back to my channel. Today I actually kind of just wanted to do a kind of like an insight. I'm more of a realistic Etsy shop owner. I love watching everybody else's like studio vlogs and stuff like that, and everybody's like very organized, has like all these shelves and stuff, and I do have a little bit of a system, but I don't have like, you know, labeled drawers. I don't have I mean, I literally have a bag of vinyl that I cut for, like, you know, so that whenever I am trying to get to, you know, restock or something like that, I have it already, like, and I guess that's what y'all saw because I didn't even notice that it was like recording. But anyway, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things that I had to do, and I kind of needed to post a video. And I know that lately I haven't been posting a lot, so I am trying my hardest to do this. So I'm not going to be talking, I'm not going to be chatting or whatever, but I kind of just wanted to show y'all that these are things that I'm actually currently doing. I am, however, me and Cynthia, we are trying to get to where we have items pre-made so that as soon as you order it, it's already sent out. We're getting to that point, but sometimes things roll in and it's like, okay, we sold out really quick. So I do have things that I want to show. For instance, this is not an order, but whenever I was looking for these small envelopes, the 26 weeks bi-weekly challenge, whenever I was looking for them, I had found these, which are the A7 floral, and it's just like a little cute set of 6, and I'm either going to have 2 sets of 3 or have 1 set of 6. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to have two sets of 3, but these are just little flower on the one side, white on the other, and they will be hole punched whenever ordered. But this is just something I found and I thought it was just so adorable, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on to the side. But if y'all are new here, my name is Cassie J. I am a cash budgeter. I am on a journey to actually become debt free. I did move my angle. It was an overhead angle, and then I had moved it to the side, and then I moved it back because I was trying to make sure that y'all can actually see my planner, because I'm a paper planner budgeter. I have Happy Planner and Disbound, so I do a lot of like overview because I want to see y'all. I want you to see the budgeting side because I'm a budgeter, you know, not just a cash stuffer, because I also have electronic savings and stuff like that, and I pay my bills electronically and don't have, you know, physical cash. So I went ahead and changed my angle. Now again, this is not going to be a chatty video. I'm just going to be putting things together. I have a list that I wanted to do today because I've actually been doing my binders. If y'all are new, I have actually ruined all of the envelopes that I had, and I had like over 40, so I had to like come together and figure out what envelopes I plan on stuffing, what are my priority, and it was just like a lot. So I know these are like all of the ones that I will be doing. These are actually going to be new to the shop by the time this video posts. I will have these in the shop, but they are vellum, they are peekaboo, and it's going to have the black lettering here, as well as the back is white. But this is what I usually do in the evenings if I don't have like any notaries or any massages, or if I'm not out. I actually have a video coming out because I found out about another app that gets you like little money, like $10, $15 here and there, whatever. And I actually have a couple apartments to look at over the weekend, so I will be taking y'all with me on that. So keep in contact for next Sunday. I'm just gonna have it on Sunday as something that, you know, because it is a side hustle that I do. So if y'all are into this, if y'all like this, please go check out me and Cynthia's Etsy shop, as well as make sure you subscribe down below. And everybody, there is going to be giveaways coming in June, large giveaways, and then there's also going to be some more in July. I've actually reached out to a couple of people, and so we have some giveaways coming out. I actually received cash from YouTube, and I didn't post it, and somebody had asked me about it, and so I was like, well, let me go ahead and do that as well. So that might be a side hustle Sunday thing, whatever, as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and start making my orders because I want to get them out as soon as possible. I might actually check back in, not 100% sure, but this is what I'm actually doing. So these right here are actually going to be new to the shop. This is all the design that I have for basically all of my envelopes now. I used to have multiple different ones, whatever, but then I didn't want to make them anymore, and so I didn't want to like show something that I wasn't like selling in the shop. But these are vellum front, peekaboo, and it's going to have black cursive with white back, and they can also come with trackers, but these are going to be in the shop. So these are just, you know, a few with money in it. I wanted to make sure I showed you that. And then y'all will be seeing me punch holes in them because I do not have holes punched in any of these actually. But these are all of my envelopes. I have so many. Y'all have no idea how sad I was whenever it came to me dropping coffee on my envelopes. Like, guys, all right. Okay guys, thank you so much for doing that with me. This took a good 30 minutes. I actually am very annoyed with my hole puncher. It decided last second that it was going to start jamming, and I have this huge stack that I had showed y'all previously, that again they are in my shop, but I'm about to go to the store and go buy a hole puncher. I don't like that whenever they get jammed. And I know some lady had said that that whenever they get jammed, they need like oil or something like that. And I guess I could get oil. I don't know. I've never had one that jammed, and usually if something's broken, I just replace it. I don't fix it. I'm not a tinker. I don't fix things. I just replace them. I'm so serious. But if y'all are still here, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I have a lot more orders that I need to get out of the way, but I'm not going to sit here and hold you, okay? So if y'all have any questions or concerns about any of the orders, if y'all don't see them online or in the shop, please let me know. I have my Instagram. You can message me on me and Cynthia's Instagram, as well as we have messaging on Etsy, and you can always leave a comment down below, and we will get back to you. So thank y'all so much. I did my little list, and y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye guys.